Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. What's your name real quick? Could you tell me what's in here?
Daniel. My name is Daniel. What we got is 215 Untouchable Sounds God series running on 23500 sundowns. And then I got 100.4 for the highs and another 50.4 for the tweets.
Okay.
SSA on the doors, the Evils. Yep. And PRV horns and DS18 tweets.
Nice. Did you build the box?
Yes, sir.
Looks good. I like it.
It has basically 2 aeroports, 8-inch aeroports, and basically all Birch Box, and I just stained it myself.
Do you know what it's tuned to?
If I remember correctly, I think I did it at 36, I want to say. So it does pretty good.
Did you ever meter it?
No, I just finished it today.
You did?
No
Okay.
lie. So I just came over here as fast as I could.
Yes, sir. Got it to demo.
They got, yeah.
All right.
Every time you'll hear it, like I said, I just finished this. I'm still trying to see what songs will play real good. We'll go from there.
Okay. Awesome. Appreciate it. Can I see the back?
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you. Nice.
Still playing pretty good.
That. Woo. Nice. I would love to hear it.
Everybody knows this song.
I feel like it peaks at like what, 34, 35 hertz?
Yeah, that's what it does. So every time you'll hear it, like I said, I just finished this. I'm still trying to see what songs will play real good. We'll go from there.
Okay. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.